Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another episode of Back to Behria. As you know, Back to Behria is a very interesting program. In this program, we interview enterprising, inspiring young men and women Behria graduates, our alumni who are making us proud all over Pakistan and all over the world. So the purpose of this program is to bring these stories to the forefront. We want you to hear from these amazing people who have shown great leadership qualities. These people are from the world of arts, sciences, media, technology, entrepreneurship, you name it. And today we have a very enterprising young man, a leader in his field. We have Mr. Sheikh Sajawal. Sheikh Sajawal graduated in the year 2020 with a degree in software engineering. What is he up to? Well, he's doing many different things. He is a digital marketer by profession. He is a public speaker, a trainer. He has founded his own non-profit organization, and currently he's working for Digital Dastak. What is digital marketing all about and what got him interested in this field? How has his journey been? Let's welcome him and let's ask him some questions. Thank you. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much for the very good introduction, and I'm looking forward to our
Excellent.
conversation.
We are very happy that you are here, and you were telling me your story and your journey, which is very exciting. You started your business while you were a student. Why and when did this happen? Because I remember as students, we're very confused about our lives. We're only concentrating on studies, but let's go back in time. Tell me, what were your aspirations when you were in the fourth or the last semester of university?
Yeah, so it's my pleasure being in this show. Uh, Starting from my undergraduate time when I was in the fourth semester, we had the summer vacations. So many of us in our class fellows, we were trying to find out internships. ठीक है हमें हमारी डिग्री रिक्वायरमेंट भी थी एंड वी हैड हम अब डिग्री के इंटरमीडिएट हम सेंटर में ठीक है यहाँ पे वी नीड टू थिंक अबाउट वी हैव स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग अबाउट क्या अब करना है क्या है किस तरह से चीज़ें होंगी सो सम ऑफ अस वर लकी इनफ टू गेट इंटर्नशिप्स in software companies and in wherever they wanted to. So me and one of my partner, he was a very good friend. We lived together as well. We started dropping our CVs in all the software companies. Google करते थे जो मिलती थी हम जाते थे सुबह से शाम हर जगह CV ड्रॉप करते थे. I still remember कुछ उनमें से हमसे उनका सवाल ये होता था कि are you coming with some reference that you are directly putting your CV on our desk? So we say no, we don't have any reference, but we just wanted to apply for the internship. So we started from there. Luckily we did not get any opportunity because I believe that we were not skilled enough to be eligible for that internship program. So we did not receive any call till date. Then eventually we decided with a gap of 2-3 weeks, we sat down, we discussed कि हमें अब क्या करना चाहिए कैसे करना चाहिए. I remember we were sitting in our car, we were having tea, and I presented this idea that why not we start our startup. उन दिनों में ये yes I remember कि the Bahria University में incubation start हुआ था तब या they were taking in startups incubation program में. So they wanted us to bring some ideas. So we started with that idea कि हमको business बनाते हैं so that we get ourselves incubated in this program. So we started from there. The idea came due to that incubation center, but with time we thought of कि I think that our idea is not suitable for this program. We should do this independently. It was a software company that we started with the name of Nerdware Tech. It was exactly when I was in the fourth semester. We were 4 partners. We 4 were in same class. We lived together. We lived together at the time, and it was a wonderful journey.
That was your start of your entrepreneurial journey.
Absolutely.
And that has led you to many different things. You're into digital marketing, that's your core strength. You're into branding, you're also a public speaker.
Yeah.
So tell me, did any of the experiences or the education or the mentorship that you received in Behria, did it actually impact you in your journey personally and professionally?
Absolutely. काफ़ी ज़्यादा देखें वो in your journey there are so many things that happen to you. But there is one thing that I can never forget. I was a good student later on, but not in the beginning. So I was coming from a different background. मेरा इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं था सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग में, मुझे इतनी समझ नहीं आती थी. वेरी फर्स्ट डे मेरा एक क्लास फेलो था जो कि ग्रुप को कोडिंग सिखा रहा था पहले हफ्ते में, पहली लैब के अंदर. एंड आई वाज लाइक, मैं इतना क्या, मुझे समझ में नहीं आती ये चीज़ें, मैं तो सिखा नहीं सकता. आई लेटर रियलाइज कि वो उन्होंने पहले रिपीट किया हुआ था. तो वो सिखा रहे थे, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही थी. हमारा मिड टर्म हुआ था, पहले सेमेस्टर का या दूसरे सेमेस्टर का कोडिंग का मिड टर्म हुआ था. एंड आई गॉट 19 out of 20, I guess. That was unrealistic for me, being honest. कभी इतने नंबर नहीं थे लिए. That time my teacher सर अदील की क्लास थी. सर अदील ने मुझे जो उस दिन कॉन्फिडेंस दिया था, I still remember that. When he appreciated me in front of the class, when he said that you are good enough in the coding, you did it really well. That was the point. I believed in myself at that time, and from that day onwards, I continue in all the programming courses. I scored A throughout my degree. Programming में throughout A था lab में, because of that one encouragement, and one when my confidence boosts up.
So you talked about Sir Adil. Shout out to him.
Absolutely.
Who are the other
There's so
teachers
many.
that you remember and you want to thank them?
I can never forget all of them. All of them have been so much helpful throughout. They knew, most of them knew that I am doing business, so they have been a constant support throughout. Sir Adil, Sir Aleem, Miss Jodat, Miss Sadia. So these are a couple of names I can never forget. But all of them were a huge support for me.
You have certain observations. Please share those observations with us. What
Yeah.
are young people thinking right now?
Absolutely. So I believe personally, because I'm very much connected with in social circles and with the youth and with startups, with so many people. What I understand is, that they think that they deserve something. They deserve a good job, or they deserve high salary. They deserve a business. But in actually, if you talk about it, the professional life is not fair. You cannot expect something. I'm good enough. I've scored A grade. मुझे ये job मिलनी चाहिए. नहीं मिलती.
Nothing comes easy and nothing comes on a
So
plate.
it's hard. So you have to do a lot of things to be successful. I think there's इनिशियली जब मैं शुरू में हम गुफ्तगू करते थे, तब हम बात करते थे यूनिवर्सिटी ये नहीं कर रही, यूनिवर्सिटी ये नहीं कर रही, ये बुरा है इसमें, ठीक है. बट विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम आई हैव रियलाइज्ड कि यूनिवर्सिटी से ज़्यादा उस स्टूडेंट का रोल है. यूनिवर्सिटी हैज़ अ डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव, यू हैव अ डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव इन योर लाइफ. You have a different aspiration to be someone, to be an entrepreneur, or to be whatever you want to be. So for that purpose, you need to be very inspired, so that you are doing everything by your own. I have done everything by my own. If it's about finding a mentor, if it's about finding the right course online, if it's about staying up all night, whatever it is. I think that the students, the youth, I also at that time, we lacked that that self-belief and that confidence and that attitude.
Ambition, initiative.
Absolutely. I personally believe that students, especially when they are in the university time period and when they are in the FSC, they can do more than what they can do after the graduation.
Okay, all right.
This is the only reason mera chota bhai recently cleared FSC. I want him to start making money from the very first or second semester of his university, because you have less burden at that time, you have less responsibilities. As the time passes, आपके मामलात बदल जाते हैं. You have other responsibilities, you have so many other things going on in life.
Take initiative while you can, while you're young.
Absolutely.
That is your key message.
Yes.
And so how long has it been since you've come to Behria? I know you graduated recently.
Yeah.
So you graduated in 2020.
I keep on visiting.
Okay.
I recently visited the Innovation Center.
Okay.
I had a space over there as well. So I usually visit whenever I have some task.
All right. So it means that you witnessed the recent changes over here.
Absolutely.
And
phenomenal.
Phenomenal changes.
Yeah.
What changes have you witnessed?
So the very we have now two fancy buildings, for the business and for the business school. Now recently I heard that it's all about business school, this campus now, and I think it's good.
And we have a new media house.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes. So there are so many things I appreciate, especially that I think it's a better. We have better cafeterias now, and we have better places to sit, which we but I miss that lawn that we had in front of the hostel. I miss that. That was a good place. Yeah.
All right. Changes are there, but hopefully
Yeah.
for the good and moving
Absolutely.
in the right direction.
Absolutely.
Let's talk a little bit about your professional field, digital marketing. It's very interesting, the buzzword right now. Do you think it's actually a buzzword or it's actually making an impact?
Absolutely, because I always talk about this. Marketing is, we all understand, हर business, हर इदारा, हर बंदे को marketing चाहिए. पहले marketing हो रही थी billboards, अखबारों में, जहाँ पे लोगों का time spend हो रहा था. Marketers वहाँ होते हैं जहाँ लोग time spend करते हैं. अखबारें चलती थी, billboards भी चलते थे, घरों के नीचे से वो brochure फेंक जाते थे, वो भी चलता था. But with time, we read less paper and we read more Facebook. हमारा अगर स्क्रीन टाइम अगर आप देखें एवरेज हर बंदे का, यूथ का स्पेशली, हर इवन एडल्ट यूथ व्हाटएवर इट इज़, we are spending most of our time on these platforms: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat. Primarily we have these 4 major platforms, right? So to be a success in today's world, आपको इन platforms पे होना ज़रूरी है. अगर आप स्टूडेंट हैं, आप you are entering into your professional career, तो अब वो दौर गया कि आप उस टाइम, आई डिड नॉट हैड द लिंक्डइन अकाउंट, जो मैं आपको बताया कि मैं सीवीज ड्रॉप कर रहा था जाके, उस वही दिन अगर 2 दिन मैंने लिंक्डइन पे स्पेंड किए होते तो मुझे 1 हफ्ते में इंटर्नशिप मिल जाती, होपफुली. बट नाउ दैट फॉर जॉब सीकर्स, फॉर प्रोफेशनल्स, यू हैव लिंक्डइन. फॉर बिजनेसेस, फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, यू हैव फेसबुक एंड इंस्टाग्राम. फॉर कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स, फॉर व्लॉगर्स, फॉर आर्टिस्ट्स, you have YouTube, you have SoundCloud. So everything is digital. So when everything is digital, businesses, organizations, we all need to market in these specific platforms.
And do you think our students are aware of these mediums?
No. So most of the students I talk, people lack the LinkedIn skills, which I focus a lot on, because today good organizations, they do not look at your CV, they look at your LinkedIn profile, the endorsements, your history, education, your skills, your portfolio, everything is on LinkedIn. So if you are a professional, if you aspire to be a professional and you are studying and you want to build your portfolio throughout the time, आपको LinkedIn चाहिए, वाजिब है. LinkedIn सब पे वाजिब है, हर स्टूडेंट के ऊपर. I personally think कि even in the whatever degree you are studying at university, LinkedIn should be a mandatory course for everyone.
So thank you so much. You've given really good advice.
Absolutely.
Initially you talked about leadership and showing ambition, taking initiative, asking for mentors, reaching out. And now you've talked about LinkedIn, something that's very valuable.
Absolutely.
And what career advice would you give to students, especially the ones who are confused, rightly so, when you're about to graduate, there are lots of choices, whether you seek a job, whether you want to study further, whether you want to apply for a scholarship, or whether you want to start a business.
Absolutely. उसमें पहला तो ये होता है कि एक जहाँ पे गड़बड़ होती है ना, वो ये होता है कि we set up our mind, हमने ये करना है, right? हम ट्राई करते हैं, नहीं होता, we start having doubts on ourselves, which is a bad thing, which should not be done. आपका mindset क्या होना चाहिए? ट्राई करेंगे, होती है ठीक है, नहीं होती, कोई और चीज़ ट्राई कर लेंगे हम, कुछ और हो जाएगा. ये चीज़ ना समझ आई, ये वाली समझ आ जाएगी, कोई बात नहीं. इसको इनफ एफर्ट दे दी, ट्राई अपना किया, नहीं कामयाब हुआ, कोई बात नहीं. So that's how I also started with software engineering. I never knew I would end up in digital marketing. So with time I realized ये वो चीज़ है जो मुझे खुद attract कर रही है. So when you are giving your time, when you are putting in the efforts, आप खुद ही align हो जाते हैं professional domain में. This is what I believe. So it's a journey. Initially, have some plans, have some goals, have some ideas. कुछ लोग होंगे जिनको जिनको innovation करनी है, जिनको पैसे अभी नहीं बनाने, जिनको अभी शायद job नहीं चाहिए. होते हैं लोग, I meet people जो कहते हैं सिर्फ हम पढ़ लें, हम मास्टर्स कर लें, PhD कर लें, हम कोई पब्लिकेशन कर लें, हम इनोवेशन लें, रिसर्च पेपर लिख दें. उनके लिए पाथवे डिफरेंट है. कुछ लोग होंगे बिजनेस करना चाहेंगे, पाथवे डिफरेंट है. कुछ लोग होंगे हाई एंड गूगल में जॉब करना चाहेंगे, पाथवे डिफरेंट है. सो इनिशियली हैव सम प्लान. देन the thing that I focus a lot on, I encourage every single person to have online skills. LinkedIn is also an online skill. So you need to understand the very basics. Again, जैसे LinkedIn वाजिब है उस तरह ये थोड़ा सा ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स की जो एजुकेशन है ये भी वाजिब होनी चाहिए सब पे, बिकॉज यू नो दिस इज how everything is working these days.
Perfect. And who knows, we can definitely include this in our curriculum.
Absolutely.
And as you said, it's very important. So career
So
counseling.
just imagine the power, you know, you don't even need to work in Pakistan. If you have LinkedIn, just LinkedIn where you apply a filter of remote jobs and you apply a filter of location US. So you दिन में आप डिग्री कर रहे हैं, US शाम में काम करता है, डिग्री के 5 बजे के बाद you can end up landing a job in US remote, शाम में काम कर रहे हैं आप. So you can have a full time job as well. Throughout portfolio आपका develop हो रहा है, but don't wait for your graduation. It would be a disaster, I personally think.
Don't wait for your graduation.
Absolutely.
It's going to be a disaster. I really like those words. And this
because you know things are very very tough in the professional life. So you need to spend enough time. So it's better to start it as soon as possible.
wise words of wisdom from you. You talked earlier about your teachers. How about giving a shout out to your friends and share some interesting memories that you have?
So मेरी throughout the degree सबके साथ अच्छी बनी है, किसी का कोई ऐसा नहीं कि you know no hard feelings for anyone, but obviously there were some people who are still like brothers to me. Ibrahim, Hamza, अरसलान, इन 3 के साथ बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था, ठीक है. अभी भी वी आर स्टिल कनेक्टेड, you know, just like families, and you know there were other class fellows as well, good friends.
So
still
you've got
connected.
good network of friends.
Yeah, absolutely. Still
connected with your teachers.
Absolutely.
Still connected with
they're like friends now. They're like mentors. Yeah, we had some aftaris as well last time.
So it's all about building and maintaining those good relationships.
Absolutely. So just imagine the power in a class, whatever department you are in. आप 40-50 लोग हो यार, आप क्या giant company खड़ी कर सकते हो if you are well connected. If everyone knows कि ये skill set इसका अच्छा है, ये skill set इसका अच्छा है, teachers as a mentor you guide them कि आप ये कर सकते हो. FYP आपने हर दो बंदों ने अगर एक final year project करना है, why not you build a huge giant startup 50 की team बना के यार. As a collective FYP maybe, just an idea. Think about the scope of that project.
So it's all about adding who's going to add strength to your team.
Absolutely.
So as you said, 40 people, you could run a country with that.
Absolutely. I think you can build a huge business. तो किसी को क्लास में I read some story, एक यूनिवर्सिटी का पाकिस्तान का था या इंडिया का था, जिनमें एक क्लास ने मिल के एक कंपनी बनाई थी. I don't remember, it's been a long time. But just imagine the power that company would have.
So Sajawal, you are not only a businessman and entrepreneur, but you're also a trainer. What sort of trainings do you give?
So I teach people whatever I know. So it's LinkedIn, it's Facebook ads, Google ads, how to, you know, plan your career, how to I basically try to help as much as I can. For that purpose, I have been associated with so many organizations for trainings, for Durshal Aptabad, delivered some session for Kamyab Jawan program, also with some US Embassy's project, Lincoln Corner, and independently I have my online courses that I created a couple of months ago, just to, you know, so that, you know, I personally cannot give time to everyone, my team members, my friends, and, you know, everyone who wants to learn. So for that purpose, I've created online courses. I've created those videos so that, you know, on sheikhsajawal.com, everyone can go sign up, enjoy, and thank me later, because, you know, I knew whatever I've learned in the last 3-4 years, I've summed that up, and these are very comprehensive, because I personally believe that you only need a week to learn something and to start, you know, to jump into that domain and build a career out of those skills. So what I did is, you know, it's a combination of 4, 5, 6 skills, so that, you know, someone can have a taste of the whole digital world, and someone can figure out which domain is right for him or her. And the same I do on my all social media platforms, on
So
LinkedIn,
people can add you,
Facebook.
right? Our students or anyone who's
Absolutely,
listening,
yeah.
you are available on LinkedIn, and don't be surprised
So if you search on Google Sheikh Sajawal, so I think the very first 2 pages of all are my profiles. It's my website, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. You know,
Great.
I think I've occupied 2 pages of Google.
All right, and so
Yeah.
don't be surprised if after this interview you get a sudden increase of requests for people adding you on LinkedIn.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for being here.
You're welcome. It was an absolute pleasure.
Ladies and gentlemen, it has been an absolute pleasure being here and interacting and meeting Sajawal. He's absolutely brilliant, a young man with great potential in the future. Please remember his words of wisdom. As he said, you need to take initiative, you need to show some ambition. Life is not easy, so don't expect everything to come on a silver platter. If you want something, you have to run after it, you have to achieve your goals and dreams. And please keep on listening to us on YouTube and on our Facebook channel. We are going to be interviewing more inspirational people from Bahria University alumni. Our purpose is to educate you, inform you, to give back, and to tell you what is happening in the real world and what has been our journeys and journeys of so many of our students who are impacting lives in Pakistan and globally as well. Thank you everyone for listening. Goodbye and see you another time.